Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how you can solve the incoming call issues in your device Samsung Galaxy M23. So if you are not receiving the incoming call or the call is not showing on the display of the device, you can solve this issue by the method that I will show you in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call issue in your device. Let's watch the video.